Hello, good evening. Today I'll be teaching you all how to change screen, how to do screen replacement. So this phone, the phone fell in the water, so and the screen got damaged, shows white. So now I went to the market to buy a new screen. You can see it. This is the new screen I went to buy. So we are going to replace the old screen with the new screen. So I want you to all sit back and watch how we do it. So watch. So first of all, you have to hit the screen to melt the gum which is holding the screen from the carcass. You have to hit it a little bit with your workstation, and if you have a separating machine you can also use that, but I have it but since you have to do with a damaged screen, I just have to use the workstation. So that's how it is done. So gently we open the back. Yeah, you can see, very gentle. Yeah, see the screen is white, so we have to remove the battery to enable us unclip the screen flex from the board. So we have to we just melted the battery now, so we have to open I have to remove the battery to enable me remove the screen flex. So gently you pull it, you don't force it because it might likely boost the battery or damage it. Yeah, see, very simple. Yeah, then you have to unclip the screen from the flex, you remove it. Yeah, so just watch and see how it is done. Please like this video, subscribe. God bless you. Yeah, remove it. So now so that is how you have to check the new screen. So yeah, yes, and you always be careful because this screen, they are very sensitive. Small uh, 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 small mistake can actually damage or spoil the screen. So you always do it gently to avoid damaging. Yeah, you can see. So it worked. So I have to on it to check the calibrator. Yeah, this Tecno Camon 11. Yeah. I have to check it. See, always test all the numbers to make sure everything is working. Yeah, that's the most important thing, because at times you might fix it and at the end of the day you find out that some of the numbers, though it's rare on this type of phone, because this is original Tecno Camon 11. So but some phones, when you check the numbers and at the end of the day you find out that some of the keys are not working. So you see, that's another challenge. But this is original, so we don't it's rare for this one to have a problem. You just have to be careful in fixing it to avoid breaking the screen. You just have to be careful, that's all. And once you are careful, you will achieve everything. So now I have to put the gum in order to fix the screen finally. Sorry, my gum is even about to finish. Yeah. So yeah, and again, there are different type of gum used in this type of fixing of screen, but I prefer using this type of gum because it is very very solid. Unlike other products they have in the market, this one is very very solid. So mostly I prefer using this one whenever I want to change a screen. Yeah, I prefer using this one. So thank you very much. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, that is that. I have to go meet around. So now it's time to fix the screen. So always remember to remove this leather. Some leave it, sure, but preferably just remove it. Yeah. So I have to put it finally. This gum is very very solid. Once you fix it, it will be extremely hard for the screen to pull out from these carcass. Yeah. Okay. It's a life experience. Yeah. Do it gently, gently, gently. Yeah. Good to go. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Then you motivate me to do more. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, 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 please like it. Like my YouTube channel. It's time to couple it. Coupling the phone. So that's it. We achieved our aim. Thank you. for watching. Please like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much for your time. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, fine. Thing works. So that's how to change, or let me say how to replace screen, the old one to the new one. You can do this at home. If you can, follow how I do it, you can even do it from home. Thank you very much. Thank you. I love you all.